go for a second.
So slow. Hey. That's actually fucking.
Oh, you're up one, you're up one. You have 2, winnable. You have 3. You're up like 4 now.
Go baby, kill the baby.
Reaper's on the right. Reaper's on the right.
Reaper.
I'm gonna go back over here. He goes to breakfast.
Doom. Give him 100.
Okay, we did find
Quad is a 3. It was a stream at Scuffed Podcast game. Meet you 2 is a prime sub. I just wish the podcast had more direction. More of like topics that are like going through a certain time, you know, more guided discussions instead of just pure chaos and people getting lost and always talking about gender. I like it, obviously, you know, I'm not like shitting on it. I'm just giving feedback, you know. It's always like female, male topics all the fucking time, I think. It always goes that direction. I don't know why, I don't know what does it.
Wop.
Yo, if they try and come through the window, listen, I play defense on this window. If they try and come through the window, I'm grabbing their ass.
I'm sitting here. I'm gonna stop.
I'm the defense here.
I did this.
Well, except for the diva, I'm not gonna grab her. That would just be ridiculous. What? Oh, your ice wall actually fucked me there. You put it up right when I was shooting it! It was not.
Because I do that now, dude. And what's comfortable to me is fucking Nike sweatpants and old t-shirts, okay? And so right now I look like a fucking literal goon, okay? And let me tell you what's happening in Seattle now that I'm not in some like backwater fucking town anymore with 1,000 people. I literally walked by a chick who has perfect makeup. She has jewelry on. She's thought about her outfit. She dressed up for an hour beforehand. And this chick won't even look at me because I'm like some kind of fucking subterranean goblin when I fucking go like...
Yeah, but that's not because of the clothes. That's because of his fucking haircut of a scarecrow and his skin tone of a fucking ghost.
Holy fuck, like get out of me, you plebeian fucking shit. It's such horrible fucking advice, but be yourself, man. You dress well in your skin. Like, no, fuck that. You like, I'm telling you, dude, I gotta do better. I gotta do better. I'm gonna date a mole man, okay?
Watch this. Fuck you! I got you, dog.
My game isn't on. It doesn't have to do anything. It's just bugged. It's just actually fucked. Wait, it's not even plugged in. Where's that supposed to go?
Yeah.
Listen to fucking grandma, yo.
Listen to me. We are the positivity. We are the Overwatch, the future of Overwatch. We will succeed, my friends. Okay? We will win this game and we will show to the world, show to Jeff that we are the best players in the world and we are going to move the idea of the positivity in this game. Thank you, Henzi. Let's win.
Hell yeah. Let's fucking do this.
Let's go.
Hell yeah.
Bro, sleeping.
Where? Get back up. I don't know. Oh, help me, help me.
Holy shit.
Owen by HP, feel free to
I
message
gotta-
me if I need to end the stream right now. If we can, I would love to show Sunny for like
the
5,
stream.
maybe 10 minutes.
Dude, Puckett, you don't understand, dude. I've been
This
streaming
is
to
Shout
single
Crash,
digit
man.
viewers for so long. Oh my god.
I know
Holy
what it's
shit.
like, dude. Single digits are
I
rough.
can't
I was
handle
streaming to
this.
30 people for weeks
Puckett, I
until
don't
eventually I
play
got a big
main
host
tank,
from
that's why-
XQC. So this is your moment.
you know
Let's
the
take
Omen by
it.
HP thing?
Let's make
They're
it.
in my
Everyone hit
channel
the
right
follow
now.
button.
Oh
Go
my
support
God.
OW Sunny SUNNY.
Oh, I actually can't.
Hit that
I'm
follow
actually gonna
button.
Cry.
Help him out. No crying. No crying on
Dude,
stream.
I don't. You guys don't understand, man. I've been streaming to single-digit viewers for literally 2 years. I never get any notice at all. I have a tryout for a second win the Contenders Trials team in a couple days, and if that
Thank
goes
you.
well, then I'm set, baby.
Anything. Back up, Brian. Back up. Chill. Big wall. Hanzo is behind them. Just.
Ana's 1 HP.
She had no idea.
All right.
Someone clip that. All right. Someone clip that.
University means I'm not able to watch as many streams, but I...
I'm leaving. I don't care. I'm leaving. I'm leaving this. I did. Alright. Fuck.
We have some Kragiee Hood and Ip, Rubicon and Big.
God damn it, dude.
Guys, it means no stream for 10 days. But I sound great. Yeah, but I do sound a little nasally, so I think I'm gonna sound less nasally, which is gonna be good. I'm just gonna feel better. Like it's all for my health. So hey Ice, can I still call you Master of Ice? I liked Master of Ice a lot. I'll remove your polyps. They're going to be reducing the size of my turbinate. My left, I think, is my...
My ultimate ability is ready. We must move the payload.
Send him up a little bit. I don't know if I'm watch anymore.
Yeah, we can nano blade next fight. That rally next fight.
Hello? Oh my god, my goddamn fucking
Oh my
microphone.
god, my god, oh my god. Hi guys, my name is Steve Bottom II. I stream on Distant TV. I get about 4,000 to 5,000 viewers on the TV. I stream StarCraft for a living. And I play Zerg most of the time. And I highly recommend a lot of like Grandmasters. Most of I do arguing on Twitch. Most of.
Hello. Watch this. Fuck you! Okay.
What's the jump? What's the jump?
Dude, this guy is a fucking god. Dude, why do I always meet fucking gods? Oh, he had wall hack.
Okay, now I cannot play Genji anymore.
What is wrong with you?
That was sweet, thanks.
I'm not okay.
Push these little bitches, they all suck balls.
Hey, I got heal. I got heal.
Oh, dude, that's a
I don't have heal.
I'm done.
Everyone's taking shit ton of damage.
Yeah. The train wreck Scuffed Podcast Feedback. Questa è la
That's my Doomfist left.
Yeah, Doomfist.
Doomfist is sleeping.
I'm dead. Break one.
Big. See nice. He's on point. He's on point. Sorry,
What?
Sorry, Andy.
Sorry, Bubba. I'm playing.
Stop my card, stop my vision. I should have. Can you uppercut cheddar? One, I need you. Whenever you're ready.
Oh my god. Me on the first.
I beg you to clip this.
Matrix.
One person clip this and send it right the fuck now.
I got shattered on the cart somehow.
This is actually good proof, dude.
Focus Zarya. There's one. Right. Need someone to get this. Grab for Nick. Grab EMP.
That's fantastic.
EMP grab.
I have not missed a single ability in this entire fight!
Good job.
I love the informatic. It's really fun.
I don't know. I legitimately believe that those games, when they go free to play, are just absolutely massive. I don't know. I mean, people will definitely love cosmetics no matter the game, especially in that game.
Don't do the Winston.
Because a lot of people are going to look at that price tag and they're going to know, like, oh, I only really want to play the new blackout mode or whatever, right? And they'll say that I don't want to pay $60 for just that mode. No, they could sell it separately for like 30 or something, maybe 20. I don't know. I'm just like throwing ideas out there. I just feel like you could probably do it better.
Oh, no.
He's one.
It's a shame to see a former professional player throw a game because he's no longer good. Sad face. In sec, let me report this guy for some abusive chat. Can you imagine being so garbage at the game, chat, that your former pro player gets like 4 or 5 kills and then...
I'm gonna grab. Hit me with. Oh my. I can do like. No, I do yoga and I dance, but I just like look. I can do this for like a long time, no problem. But it's the lifting the arms that's just really hard for me. Play Life is Strange 2 again. Oh, we can do that too, but I'm gonna do Super Seducer first. You can see some muscles.
Damn, I missed it. SMH.
Hey, Jim Rock. But yeah, it's just So I have this pain here in my shoulders from it.